dividing a polynomial by a monomial. Alright, now, you know, this is the division part of chapter 6, polynomials and monomials, but you've kind of already done this in your factoring. If you can do your factoring, you can do this. This is just basically what's left. Think about if I were to factor 12x cubed out of these top two things, what's left? So this is now doing straight division. Okay, so where's my mouse gone? There it is. Okay, so what is 24 divided by 12? So I'm looking at these two first. 24 divided by 12. 2. x7 over x3. So remember, when you divide, you subtract the exponents. So that is x4. Remember, I can't combine these two things on top. They're both x's, but one's an x7, one's an x5. So, plus, what's 36 divided by 12? 3. And what's x5 over x3? Subtract exponents, that's x squared. And there's your answer. Okay? So really, that's kind of it. But the ones you're going to get on the test, because we think, well, you guys can do that one. What's going to happen is and actually, I might just extend it right now. In fact, I will. I'll get an eraser. And now, supposing you see this. Okay, supposing it was plus, and I'll make sure it's divisible by 12. So I'll do 48. So this is the extension, x squared. Now then, all of a sudden, this one here, okay, it's a smaller x. It's an x squared. There's an x cubed on the bottom, so it is bigger on bottom. So remember, we talked about this. If you've got more x's on bottom, that's where they're going to stay. So I'll just keep on running. The first two are fine. The 2x4 plus 3x squared, that comes from the first two. Let's go on to the 48x squared. So we'll do the same thing. What's 48 divided by 12? So plus 4. But now look at this, okay? This time we've got an x squared on the top, an x cubed on the bottom. So if I try to subtract, I'll end up with -1. But remember what I said, you know, wherever there's more x's, keep them there. So x2 on top, x3 on bottom. If you cancel 2 on top, you'll still have 1 left on bottom, okay? Remember, there's more on the bottom by how many? By 1. So that, folks, is going to be the answer. So look at that, you see that? The x squared, okay? The x cubed. And normally if you hear me in class, I say, where's there more x's? And by how many? There's more on the bottom by 1. Okay, so that there would be the answer. So that was the extension. So just think about that. Okay.